stands before a forgotten Lamborghini Gallardo, assessing the rust and neglect before beginning this ambitious restoration journey. Carefully inspecting the frame, Alex documents every crack and structural weakness hidden beneath layers of thick orange corrosion. The disassembly begins as Alex carefully removes rusted bolts, knowing each piece is vital to the car's eventual rebirth. Lifting away a heavy, corroded panel reveals even deeper damage, showing just how much work lies ahead for him. With a wire brush and grip, Alex manually scrapes away the surface rust, revealing the pitted metal underneath it. Using a power tool, he methodically strips away stubborn corrosion, exposing the bare chassis while working on the lift. Alex carefully moves a massive section of the frame toward the cleaning booth, handling the heavy components with expertise. A close-up reveals a significant hole eaten through the metal, a clear sign of the advanced decay he faces. Precision is key as Alex aligns a fresh metal patch, preparing to fill the gaps left by years of neglect. Beneath his welding mask, Alex begins fusing the new metal, sending bright sparks flying through the busy workshop air. He continues the steady weld, creating a strong bond that will finally restore the structural integrity of the supercar. Methodically working across the chassis, Alex watches as new metal patches replace the holes left by years of rust. The raw weld beads stand strong, showing the successful repair of the metal before the next stage of refinement. Sparks shower the floor as Alex uses an angle grinder to smooth out the welds into the surrounding metal. He compares the rough welds to the newly ground sections, ensuring a perfectly uniform surface across the entire frame. Now fully ground and reinforced, the chassis stands ready, its structural strength finally restored after weeks of hard work. Alex meticulously cleans the detached body panels, using solvents to remove every trace of grime before the sanding begins. The rhythmic hum of the orbital sander fills the shop as Alex grinds away the remaining rust and paint. Reassembling the bare metal panels, the Lamborghini begins to regain its iconic shape, looking like a raw silver sculpture. Alex runs his hand over the surface, feeling for tiny imperfections that must be perfect before any paint is applied.
Clip 21. Inside the sterile paint booth, the prepared Lamborghini stands as a clean, metallic canvas ready for its first coat. Using a tack cloth, Alex carefully removes any lingering dust particles to ensure the primer adheres perfectly to metal. After testing his spray gun, Alex prepares to apply the gray anti-rust primer, a critical layer for future protection. The first coat of gray primer smoothly covers the bare metal, sealing the car and preparing it for color. This transition shows the matte gray primer slowly replacing the raw metal, marking another major milestone in the restoration. Now fully primed, the car's aggressive lines are clearly defined, hiding all the previous repairs beneath a uniform surface. Alex prepares his fine grit sandpaper, knowing that a perfect finish depends entirely on the smoothness of this base layer. Wet sanding the primer creates a silky finish, eliminating every tiny bump and preparing the body for the silver paint. After wiping away the residue, the primer surface is incredibly smooth, standing ready for the brilliant silver base coat. Alex performs one last inspection, ensuring the fine-sanded primer is flawless before he starts the final painting process today. Mixing the polished silver paint, Alex ensures the metallic flakes are perfectly dispersed for a deep, luxurious finish later. A quick test spray confirms the pattern is perfect, allowing Alex to proceed with confidence on the car's body. As the silver paint hits the primer, the car instantly begins to shimmer, transforming into a vibrant metallic masterpiece. Moving with steady precision, Alex applies the silver base coat to the hood, creating a deep and uniform glow. The contrast between the matte primer and the radiant silver shows just how far this restoration has finally come. Fully coated in polished silver, the Lamborghini gleams under the booth lights, its former glory starting to shine through. Alex carefully mixes the clear coat, taking his time to ensure a pure, bubble-free liquid for the final protective layer. The clear coat test shows a perfect wet look finish, promising a mirror-like shine for the completed Lamborghini restoration project today. The first pass of clear coat brings incredible depth to the silver, instantly creating a wet, high-gloss reflective surface. Systematic strokes of the spray gun turn the side panels into mirrors, reflecting the workshop lights with stunning clarity.
Now entirely covered in wet clear coat, the car looks magnificent, radiating luxury and power with every sharp reflection. As the clear coat cures, the surface hardens into a durable shell, permanently sealing the beautiful silver paint underneath. Alex applies fine polishing compound to the cured surface, preparing the body for the very final stage of buffing. Using a rotary buffer, he brings the finish to a mirror shot, revealing the truly breathtaking depth of color. The extreme close-up reveals a flawless surface, showing no imperfections in the deep, liquid-like reflections of the silver body. Installing the new chrome trim provides the perfect accent, contrasting beautifully against the polished silver of the finished car. Alex buffs the new crystal-clear windows, ensuring every detail is perfect as the restoration nears its ultimate completion point. With new performance tires and polished wheels installed, the Lamborghini is finally ready to return to the open road. Standing proudly beside his masterpiece, Alex admires the gleaming silver Lamborghini, a testament to his skill and hard work. From a rusted wreck to a showroom quality supercar,
proud of how this Gallardo turned out.
incredible transformation
It's even
shows
better
the true
than the
power
day it
of
left the
dedicated
factory.
expert restoration.